So all them people I haven't seen for a while, I'm still alive.
Mersey Rod Drainage Services. When a job gets tough, we use touch and tough and sell.
So welcome back, guys. This is our first proper repair video, and today we're in at CH63 Birkenhead over the water. Customer's Gullies is damaged, that one, and also this one here. But it's also, I don't know what's going on here. We've got a 4-inch running from that gully down there, so I might try and tee that in over here somewhere, but we'll have a look. Just waiting for the lads to come. Here's one of the lads with us today.
Hello, hello.
Justin. Let's see if how you feeling, Justin? Feeling good?
Excited, yeah.
Excited.
Energised.
Energized.
Yeah.
We'll cut back to that later, see if he's right. Where's everyone else?
Getting the stuff out the van.
Right, so we've just come through that customer's house. No access to get around the back. There's all the materials. Let's see the lads. There's Henry.
Staying, lads.
You alright, mate?
Yeah, mate.
You good? Happy? There's Warren. Warren. Everyone's been dying to see you.
Hey.
Right, guys, so what we'll do now, we're going to get the flags up and start the dig. Come back to you in a minute.
Oh no, Jack's got my
Henry
boots, everyone.
doesn't bring his own PPE.
Jack's got my boots, I've got my boots still in there.
Anyway.
We're going to do our next gully now, exactly the same, but on this one we've got a bit of pipe coming from here, so I think it's from a gully from just round the corner. We just got one round to there. We're going to start our second one now, so we're just going to cut round this flagstone because it's underneath the brickwork, and then we're going to cut it here the same to try and find the connection on here, so then we can connect onto it, and then we'll work our way from there. Yeah. One's coming, mate. I'll come in now and just give it a crack. Oh.
There we go.
It's not going to be good, but it's the best
Yeah.
to do for that.
Quite hard to do down there.
Because it's sitting right on the flagstone, see, it's the brickwork's on top of it.
Once we've got it out, there we go.
Beautiful. Make sure you leave that one there so I know what goes there.
We've got the big one now.
We can cut from here. We cut from what we did last time. Cut there. What do you reckon, Henry? Here? There?
Come out to
about here. But now, see where this connects to, and then we go. Hang on, hold fire a minute, mate. You just take 5 out. You sort yourself out there and then. Just really about in there. Fucking cut off his light by Yeah, we put it over there because in case we gotta go round. No, in case we gotta take this, I don't want to put it on there. What should keep there, mate? I'm gonna try and just break that bit off there. Yeah, but there is that. Yeah. Beautiful. Oh, what a We'll switch it off. What our next job is just to clear this, so we'll come back to you in the next 5 minutes, show you what it is.
Alright.
We just got to find this pipe coming out and the connection, the original connection, and then drop into it. So we'll get back to you when it's all clear.
Goodbye.
We're back. We cut the pipe away from here, which is the new rainwater coming around the corner. And we found the existing one, which is here, down here. So we've got the gully here going here towards, is it?
Yeah.
Going towards here. What our next job is to cut around this area here to get the new connection on, and then we'll drop the new one onto here from this. So we just got to clear around here, the concrete around here, get to the new cut fitting so we can put the new the new manhole grid, sorry, here. It's under here. Definitely is here. Tell you, it's there.
It's definitely there.
Steel toe cap, health and safety. Still there. So all them people I haven't seen for a while, I'm still alive. Doing well.
Doing well.
Daughter's just finished university. Henry's the number one, I'm number two.
We're both number one.
Be careful now, because we've got to find out where this is going, haven't we? Where that's going. Right.
There.
You just hope to pull it. Let me get my glasses. Right, carry on, mate. You've got to connect onto that saw pipe. Got the saw pipes there. Oh, yeah. Right, we found the pipe.
Got the pipe there.
Across here.
Let's move it. There we go.
So we just got to take this out next. There, it's all concrete. What we're going to do is a bit of TLC, break across here so we can get onto this collar.
Yep, break that off.
Cut off.
Pull the gully out.
Pull the gully out. Get this concrete away.
Jobs are good in. We're off to get some food in our stomachs now.
We'll have a little walk around and have a look at wheelie bins in the area.
See you guys.
Right guys, we're back. And to be fair, Henry and Henry and Warren, who's just currently out, has done a good job. Look at this. Gully's out, exposed around that pipe for me. That's what I wanted. And then this one's going to be a bit trickier. There's the old gully. There's the soil stack. And that's a new gully. We're going to figure something out for that. We're going to let them carry on digging it. There's Justin. Say hello, Justin.
Hello.
Henry, there's Warren. Everyone's missed Warren. Right, so
get the picture taken.
this one, easy enough.
One
Let me just get something to bring them levels up, mate.
Soft stuff, hard stuff.
What, mate? Them bits are just smashed up. Don't use them as a... Just to build it up. And then we'll
Jack doesn't know if I'm going to get him back today.
What
so
for?
He's going to be on edge all day.
What's up? What for? What have I done to you?
So, you know what? I'll leave it. I don't hold one.
Health and safety. Just putting the word out. Just putting the word out.
I don't need glasses on for this.
Yeah.
What do you want?
Don't forget your boss. Your boss standing.
What do you want?
More, mate, I think. Yeah. So I want the level up.
More. Ah,
Jesus, I'm falling. Do you know what?
Hey, Jack.
Get us a grinder.
Just dropped on my foot.
What's up,
Good
yeah?
job I've got safety trainers on.
Well, that's good.
Yeah.
Glad you've got them on. Give us your grinder, please, and goggles. Voila.
Like you see, that's a panto.
Right.
I bet that looks pretty cool.
It probably did, actually.
Yeah.
Don't know the reality. I need something to...
Oh, no.
You got anything clean and dry? Oh, beautiful.
See?
Right, so the level there, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Is that the level? Was that the cockpit?
No, flag. That's not... Flag's there.
Yeah.
See ya. Yeah.
Oh, there. So professional about. Can I have my goggles, Henry?
Well, if you're using the grinder, you need your goggles and your earplugs. Don't you, Jack?
Yeah, obviously. Can I have the goggles, please?
Where?
No gloves, mate. I'm going to have to read
Where,
that.
yours?
Just give us any. Just for our man in the back. These are great, actually. I use these all the time. Should have had these before. Justin was in the van with me. What are you saying?
You can't hear him, can you?
What are you saying? Carry on.
What are you saying? He heard me, didn't he?
You can't not hear you.
Your woolly accent.
But out there, I'm not a wool.
He is. He has white socks on, everyone.
White socks on you, lad.
See you all in a minute.
Them quads. If you look at them quads there, you see the. Oh, look at them.
So, that should be the leveling on this.
I'll put a bit of. Oh, nearly. There we go.
It looks too high.
Here we go.
There we go.
Put a bit of mud on instead.
We don't, hey, come on.
Huh?
No, we don't do that.
No. I don't know. Stupid thing to say, really.
What do you mean mud? We'll use a bit of mix to...
Bit of leaves.
We will do. He'd do that. Do you reckon? Right, I need
Spot on.
just a straight edge. It seems too high. There's a straight edge, Henry.
Straight edge.
Straight.
Have you brought one out with it?
We haven't got... Where's the level? I think I'm just going to take this tube here.
What is that? Is that copper?
Lead.
Where's it from though? Where's it from?
What?
It's an old pipe, isn't it?
Yeah, lead pipe.
Where's it coming from?
The building. You know the column?
Sometimes.
Coming from the sky.
Oh, I mean, what kind of pipe is it?
What kind of lead pipe?
No. What's it used for?
Well, it would have been water back in the day, wouldn't it?
Oh, this weather.
Oh, I've got a nice jacket here.
Have you?
It's mine, so I'll just take it off for once.
Is that Jack's? You're giving him your jumper?
Yeah, because he was bad on that last job, to be fair.
Oh, was it? Yeah.
Bad on that last job?
What?
Were you bad on that last job? What you just said?
Oh,
The weather was bad
he said
on that
it was
job.
bad. Getting defensive for.
The weather was bad.
Oh. And you were bad as well.
Yeah, I were bad.
Now we're talking. Now we're
You
talking.
were crap. It's too high. I need something a bit thinner, mate, than that.
Thinner?
Just to bring the level up.
Justin's arms. I'll bring it.
Bring it over a bit. The plan is now get a piece measured, line it up properly, set it in, mix around it. Yeah. Job's done. So go on, put it back. Then what we'll do, save some power. We'll come back when it's done.
Cheerio.
Turn it off for now. Right, so we're back. The gully's in. Plate of plastic fitting. New PVC. Gully. The taps are in, just checking the water. So what we're going to do now is mix around it. Round it, and then some stone underneath and sand to protect it, and we'll bring you back to when we're at that stage. So the lads are bringing the materials through right now. So while Henry is making a mix for that, I'm going to cut this. Justin, get out the way a sec, mate. Cut this and get the gully out of the way, so we'll see you in a second. Right guys, there you go, that is out. I'm just making clearing around the pipe for clay to plastic, put a new gully, work all that out, and we've got the A team on it. Look at that for the mix. Quality, what ratios did you use, Henry?
Really? Just the Henry ratio.
Take that again. What did ratio come?
Half a bag, about third of cement.
Yeah.
And about third stone, maybe just a bit more.
Quality. Did you use water?
Water, yeah.
Nice. So what you do, Warren's just demonstrate you can pack the mix without it. Warren's calf.
Oh, look at that.
Come on, lads, stop it. Stop.
Oh, I've just put, I'm sorry. I've put mud on.
Put mud all over your legs.
Look at that though for the mix. Quality.
That's a good mix, that. Justin, I will teach you
Right,
one
so
day.
there you go. Well done, Henry.
Yeah.
Warren, well done. Right, so we're back. Plan is now, let's get this pipe working here. So we'll see you shortly.
Right, the gravel's in, all covered, compact underneath, a good compact.
Beautiful.
No movement on the pipe.
No movement. Nice and compact.
Nice mix from Henry there, really nice. That's going nowhere. Ready for it. Put the flags on.
So now what we do?
Quality job there, Warren. Going over the top. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. So there's no
Sand over it, so when we backfill, the pipe
don't
is
damage the
protected.
pipe. Need to put a bit
more.
more salt. Pass me a bit more standing stones there, mate.
More stone. 58, Warren. You wouldn't think it, would you?
I like the 58. You're taking 2 years out to me there. Thanks very much.
58, you wouldn't think it.
9. Turn it off. Starting still going on.
Oh, come on, Warren.
There we go.
Beautiful. We'll get back to you when we've backfilled. Goodbye.
And we're back. So Warren and Henry did a fantastic job. They backfilled it all. There's your new PVC gully. Flags going out, they're going in. Henry, all right?
Oh yeah, really good.
Well,
Lovely mix.
what's all your... Them overalls are dirty, Henry.
They're my overalls. They used to be big on. They used to be tight on me, but they look tight on
How
you, Henry.
tight round his chest.
They look tight on you.
Right, Justin, show them what we've done.
Yeah.
Justin's on the pan from sorting. Right, so we've put a new gully in. Let's put a riser in, bring the height up so it's level. That old gully they had, new PVC but old gully, we just connected it into a T there, and we couldn't get the clay to plastic fitting on there. So what we've used, and we do use these quite a bit, Fernco internal fittings. They have got us out of a few sticky situations. Well done, Justin. Yeah. So yeah, so plan is now I'm going to have to go get more materials because we haven't got enough sand or stone, so I'm going to go get some more. Warren and Henry are finishing the flagging. I'm going to put some Justin's not flagging.
I am flagging, I'm professional.
Spell it. Right, anyway guys, see you soon. Right, we're back. Justin has just protected the pipe there. Beautiful. So he's going to backfill it. I'm going off to do a unblock. When I come back, Justin, Henry, Warren, mainly Justin because them two are working. Yeah. Need it all tidy, mate, because this isn't tidy. Well guys, we'll see when I come back what the site looks like. I have returned and he's backfilled it, and look how clean and tidy it is. He's done well. Justin, no one wants that. Justin's doing well. Warren, on the other hand, is doing even better. Look at that for a finish. Flags back down. Just cutting. Are you cutting another piece of slate there, Warren?
Piece of slate to go into there.
Look at that, mate.
And then
oh, it's like it was made to measure.
It's like a piece of work from the Lake District. Slate.
Looks good, mate. Looks good. Slate's from Wales, isn't it?
It comes from anywhere. It can come from the. Someone's going to correct you on that one, so you're going to have to leave that one on there.
Hey, look at that though. Quality, mate. Quality work.
Cheers, mate.
Henry, you've done all right today.
Is that it? All right.
Well, you haven't shown me anything special yet. Right, so anyway, guys.
Can we get this? And this is what we've been getting our water off.
Yeah,
This is Warren's.
there's no this outside tap doesn't work, so we've been getting water.
These
from
are
the
Warren's
sink.
overalls.
Just gonna finish this last bit here. Get the flags down. See if Warren does another fancy slate finish to this one. Anyway, guys, catch you soon. We're back. The lads are still hard at it.
See that bit there?
Look at this.
Put that on there and pass it here.
Nearly finished now. Warren, how you feeling?
If I'm smiling, not smiling on the
I'm not
outside.
smiling outside, I'm smiling inside. Cut me in half with there's love written through it.
Exactly, that's what we love.
Look at this, eh? It's all finished this side now anyway. All tested. Look at that for the finish. It's nice that. So yeah, last little tie up. Justin's slowly taking bags back to the van. Slowly. The van's not far. Yeah, let's go sneak up, see what he's doing.
What's he doing?
Hang on. Let's go see. Do you reckon he's smoking? We're about to come through the customer's house. Oh, he's not smoking. We thought he'd catch him. We thought we'd catch him smoking. Here, I'll show you Eleanor. Look, she's looking good. Looking good, Eleanor. Anyway, guys, state of that. We'll clean all this off. Anyway, see you in a little bit when we're done. And we are finished. Everyone's happy?
Aye.
Everyone's happy. Look at this. Hey, look at that for the finish from Warren.
Have a good sleep.
Look at that. That's nice. Right, guys, yeah, so that's that one. 2 gullies done for the customer. Customer's happy. It's all been tested. And yeah, so join us again for the next one. Make sure you click like and subscribe. And
Dangerous.
see you in a bit, guys. Take care.